Welcome back to JTMJ Crafts. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, how are you all doing on this fine Monday afternoon, Monday morning, Monday night? Heck, it could be Tuesday morning where you are. I don't know, but hi! So, I have an unboxing from this company. Vizu Art. I seen my sister, Mrs. Coffee, do an unboxing for this company, and I went and checked them out, and found a package that I liked, or an image that I liked, so I figured, let's give it a try. So, poured glue. What else is in here? Toolkit. So since this is a new company to me, I always like to go through the toolkit first. Got a blue squishy. Clear pin. Come on, bag. Open yourself up, yo. Cheap tweezers. A white boat. 9-placer. And a diamond of wax. And a thank you card. And there's a discount on here for the next time. So that's that. Does come with a schematic printed out, which is very nice. So let's see what we have for colors. I figured I would start with colors first and then get to the diamond painting. Kind of let that relax for a second. So we have 154, 159. I like the way they are marked. It's number 1. And then the DMC number 3, 169, 310, 363, 414, 434, 435, 452, 453, 460, or 640, geez Louise, 645, 647, 729, 779, 792, 801, 819, 823. That looks dark for 823, but that might be close. I don't know. 844. This is a square kit. $902, $919, $920, $921, $938, $939, $975, $3041, $3072, $3771, $3740, $3826, $3838, which is a real beautiful blue, $3557, $3860, $3861, 3862, 3864, 3860, 3863, 3864, and 3865. There's the colors. This says it has 40 colors, and this doesn't say, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Got 40 colors, so let me set this to the side. And this is the picture. It is a 40 by 50. I have looked for this picture. I've looked at this picture multiple times, multiple different websites, multiple different places, and I never really pulled the trigger to buy because it was all double-sided adhesive. So here is your 6 steps to diamond painting. Don't really need that because I've been diamond painting for almost 2 years now. So it's not the oily feeling canvas. It feels like a nice quality. Oh god, it's like a blur. But once the diamonds go on, you might be able to see it. All the other places I've seen this painting, they were like a 20 by 30 or 30 by 40, and this is the biggest one I've seen, a 40 by 50, and I was like, okay, I'll get it. Plus it's poured glue, so yes, yes, and yes. So let's look at the drill field. It is pretty clear, I must say, it is pretty clear. There's a couple of colors that are really close to the same, like the D and the E are really close to the same color, so that might throw me off a little bit, but let's check the stickiness. It definitely got some sticky to it. So let's go ahead and check the size and see if this is true to size or not, or if it is under size. So it says it's a 40 by 50. We are dead on 40. I like to see that when it says it's a 40 by 50. It says it's a 40 by 50. And it is dead on 50. Right in that mark. I really like it when they actually say the size that they are. Now, this canvas was a little on the expensive side for me trying a new company. I think this was 35 bucks. And to me, trying a new company and it was only being a 40 by 50, I was kind of hesitant, but I've been wanting this image for so long. And this is the largest one I could find in it. It's got an elk. It's got a deer, ducks, and a bear. Okay, so I went and grabbed my phone so you guys can see a clearer image of what this is supposed to be. It's supposed to be a little tent over here, like he's camping. An elk, a bear, a deer, turkeys, and waterfowl, meaning ducks. This was $39.99. I spun the little wheel and got a 10% discount, I think. So it was a little bit cheaper. Plus it has free shipping. So I thought I'd go ahead and give it a try. I figured it would look a little clearer than this, but I still think it needs to be bigger. So I will be on the hunt for a bigger one of this. See what I can find. I don't want double-sided adhesive because I'm over double-sided adhesive. But I wanted to try them, see what they were all about, see what the buzz was about, you know, type of thing. So that's about all I got for you guys today. I will have, depending on how busy I am this week with work, which I'm sure I'm going to be busy because we're still moving, plus my boss goes on vacation. So I'm going to try to have the 120 Ohuhu swatch sometime this week, and try to do my whip and chat. And if I get time, I'm going to try to do another video. We'll see how that goes. So if you want to try this company out, I will have it linked down below. They have, from what I see, is good quality. Let's look at some of these diamonds. I don't see no dimples. I don't see no tags. Look like really nice diamonds. Find some darker colors. See a dimple there, but they look like really nice quality diamonds, so that's a plus. So, yay. I see a dimple over there. But, you know, if you ask me, I really don't care about that dimple in the back of it. As long as it sticks. I've never had any that give me issues from dimples, so I guess that is it for me, ladies and gentlemen. Quick little show and tell of Vizu art. I guess that's how you say that. If I'm wrong, please correct me. So that's it. So as always, I hope you all have love, peace, and treat each other with the respect that you are due to be treated with. And I hope you all have a fantastic day. Bye.